Good morning, middle schoolers. I'm making this short video today for Asynchronous Friday. We just got a few things we got to cover, and we got to make sure that we have everything squared away because some of you I know are not going to come to class to participate and need tutoring or whatnot. But still, I want to make this quick video just to make sure we cover all of our bases. Okay. Now, sorry guys, I actually have somebody in a class that I got to deal with. Um, Couple things. Algebra 1, you guys have an assignment. You need to finish up that inequalities worksheet that I gave y'all yesterday. As soon as you're completed with that, remember it needs to be submitted into the assignments on Microsoft Team. Do not email that to me. Even if you have to take a picture, just submit it in assignments. That way I can go over it this week. I'm going to be finalizing all of our grades today, tomorrow, and Sunday. So hopefully we'll have a complete and total updated list of where you guys stand, and we can be ready to go after fall break. All right, middle schoolers, okay, you guys just finished your tests. All right, scores were not as good as I was hoping. They are slightly disappointing. So what I will probably do is I'm going to analyze y'all's data and take a look at exactly what we got, and see where our weakest areas are at. Once I identify our weakest areas, I'm going to post an assignment for you to be working on as well, because we need to get ourselves caught and we need to get these mistakes fixed. There is no reason why I should have gotten 30s, 40s, and 7s on a test that just dealt with integers, and multiplying, dividing, and that kind of stuff, and identifying positive and negative numbers. That's just, it's unacceptable. So we're going to work on doing that, and we're going to get you, like I said, we're going to get you an assignment today as well. Once you watch this video, remember I told you there's going to be a little quiz at the very end. You're going to have to go to take a quiz. It's going to ask you a couple questions. All right, so one of the things that's gotten on my nerves is when I ask you to do a quiz on quizzes, and I ask you to put in your full name and you're not doing it, because I've got a couple of y'all that have the same first name but different last names, and y'all are not putting in your full name, which makes it even more difficult for me to identify who's who. So we're going to fix that real quick. Let's see if I can. No, it's not going to let me do it. All right. So this is what I want you to do from here on out, okay? You see this right here? All right. It's going to be a little flipped, okay? But I want you to put your class period, your last name, and your first name every single time you do a quiz for me, okay? So like, for example, Algebra 1 is my first period class. They would put their last name followed by their first name, okay? Just put spaces in between them, no commas, no nothing. Just do 7-1 space last name space first name. So it should read 7-1 Hale Walter, or in this case, like for Mr. Myers, 7-1 space Myers space Zachary. In my second superior class, it would be like 7-2 Bulware space Deja. Okay, 7-4 would be 7-4 space Reynolds space Kaime. Okay, and so on, so on, and so on. You will have a question. There is a question on your quiz about this specifically. If you do not put your name in like this, then I'm going to sit there and give you a 0 for a grade today. All right, I am getting sick and tired of not being able to identify who is who, and so we're going to start doing this when we have a quiz. So please, by all means, make sure we get this done. I do not want to have to sit there and be like, oh no, I don't want to have to search for this kid. All right, we're going to fix that. Let's see, anything else I want to talk about? Like I said, today, remember, we do have tutoring. I'm working on trying to get everything squared away in Microsoft Teams. If I have not added you to my class, don't worry, I'm going to be working on that today, and we'll get you all squared away as well. If you have questions about grades, or if you want to sit there and try to improve a previous quiz grade, this is your opportunity. Come and see me during the day. I don't care what time. The meeting is set up from 8 to 3. All right, just like, for example, I got Mr. Tony Williams in my class already, and it's not even 8 o'clock yet. So I'm going to go check on him and see what he needs. But other than that, guys, like I said, you have yourselves a good fall break. You got the next 9 days off. I will see you not next Monday, but the Monday after next, okay? All right, love you guys. Take it easy. Have a good one. All right, bye.